Here's how to cut out mistakes in DaVinci Resolve or remove portions of a clip in the timeline. In this clip here, we've got a lot of space that we want to cut out. I'm going to use Ctrl+ on the keyboard to zoom in. I'm going to select the clip so it turns red and move the playhead where I want to start cutting things out. The first way to do this is to come over to the tools and click this button to activate the blade edit mode. If I hover over this clip now, we've got this razor blade icon, and anywhere I click now will cut this clip. So I can move across here and click the left mouse button, and now we've got that clip cut in half. If you're not in razor blade mode, say we click back to pointer mode, with the clip selected, instead use Control and then tap B on the keyboard, and this will create a cut wherever the playhead was. And now we've got this section cut out. If I hit backspace on the keyboard, it's going to delete that section. But it's left this hole. If I move the playhead, everything just goes black here because we've got this gap in the clips. So you could just left click and drag this across, close up that gap, but that can get quite inefficient. Just going to undo that. Instead, what you can do is select the clip, hold down Shift on the keyboard, and then tap backspace. Watch what happens down here when I do this. It deletes that clip and moves everything on the right across automatically to fill up that gap. An even quicker way, if I just undo all of those cuts, is to move the playhead where you want to start the cut. If you don't have a clip selected, select the clip, hit Ctrl B to add a cut, move the playhead to the end of the part you want to cut out, select this part of the clip, hold down Ctrl Shift and choose the left square bracket on the keyboard. This deletes the section before the playhead and closes up the gap. I've got loads of productivity tips coming on DaVinci Resolve to make editing even faster, so make sure you subscribe for those.